Okay, hello and welcome. My name is Hayden. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Alpha Impact. Very excited to be with you this evening, and we are super excited to be here. So we're sorry for getting started a couple minutes late. So I wanted to quickly introduce, and we're going to be displaying some slides as we speak. So I'll just introduce briefly the format for this evening. So this evening we're going to be going through our platform. I'll be showing you a demo. I'll be showing you how to link your API key, as well as giving you a very clear indication of exactly what our platform has to offer. So in a few moments, we're going to begin sharing some slides. What that also means is that there's going to be a poll throughout the session. So we're going to be asking various questions of you guys. We're going to be asking you to give us feedback in the comments. They're very easy multi-choice questions, so we're confident that everything can go okay. So we'll just get started. I'm just going to turn on the slide. Fantastic. So a little bit about Alpha Impact. I wanted to just briefly start by sharing the story of Alpha Impact. My co-founder Austin and I came together a little over a year ago, and we had a very basic problem. We both faced this problem. When we were teaching ourselves how to trade crypto, we really struggled to find the resources to learn crypto trading. Unfortunately, there's a lot of noise out there for people who are trying to get into crypto for the first time. We go to trusted sources of information like the news. In crypto, it turns out the news is a little bit behind and they don't quite fully grasp all the different nuances of our industry. We also ask our friends, we talk to experts, and one of the problems that we face is that there's really no incentive for experts to share with us. So what we're left with is popular social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube, and many others. And on those platforms, there's the signal to noise ratio is just very high. What that means is that there's a ton of, Barry, hello, nice to see you. There's a ton of information out there, but no way for us to sift and sort through the data and figure out who is a good trader or not. So that's one of the reasons that we started Alpha Impact, to provide people with an ability to find a top trader in a way that we can actually see if someone is truly a top trader. The worst thing ever is looking for information from a source that is, let's just say, not trusted. And so we've seen this a lot with existing social media platforms. The second aspect of our platform that we built was to solve a very acute problem that we had. When I met Austin, he had a very specific view after having done hundreds of hours of research on some very specific cryptocurrencies. And one of my first questions was, Austin, can I just copy your trades? Can I just give you some money? I'll send you a pay now. And it's very difficult to manage other people's money. It just gets tough. So this is a way for our users to find a top trader and follow that top trader. So let's take a look a little bit at what we're going to be covering this evening. So we have a little bit of our journey, what we've been up to. We have a poll that's happening in a few moments, but at the end, there's going to be a giveaway. There's going to be something we're going to ask you to do, and we're going to give away $100 worth of Litecoin to one person. So there is a task that's required, and we're going to give you some time to do it over a 24-hour period. Now, $100 of Litecoin might not seem like much, but if you'd had $100 of Litecoin from many years ago, you'd have a whole lot more than $100 today. So up next, we're going to be going to the first poll question. So we've seen a lot of price action happen over the last little while, and currently we're a little bit below 65K, which is just below Bitcoin's all-time high. So just let me know in the comments, do you think on December 31st, what do you think the price will be? Below 65K, which is A, 65 to 100K, or just over 100K? So let us know in the comments what you think the Bitcoin price will be on December 31st. B. Wow, you guys are just super onto it. 65 to 100K. What if B? Okay. Well, should I share my answer? I think C. What we're seeing now is a whole lot of volume in the options market that's pricing a move to above 100. Not interesting perspective. So our problem and solution. So one of the problems that we've seen in crypto is that it's growing, but there's really very few ways to get access to cryptocurrency as an asset class. It's not become any easier for us to do. So looking at the size and the scale of the industry, we could see that the industry has grown substantially over the past few years. So crypto has grown substantially. Pantera Capital has predicted there's going to be 100% growth rate of crypto assets between 2021 and 2026. Crypto spot trading has grown 3,300% over the past 4 years, showing that now is the busiest time and the largest time ever to get into the crypto space. And at the same time, the rate of crypto growth trading in the last 12 months, according to Chainalysis, is 706%. So with such amazing growth, why is entering the market just so confusing? This is one of the big problems that we're solving here at Alpha Impact. So one of the ways that we're solving this problem is by helping people. There's a few different ways that we think about this, and it really ties in nicely with how we're unique. So one of the focuses for us is really on creating connections between our followers and those who want to copy them. So the social connection is super important for us. And Alpha Impact is not just a copy trading platform. We're an educational platform. So the question we want to help people understand is not only what is my top trader doing, but why are they doing that? So next up, let's take a look at, we have another poll. And before we go there, let me just talk a little bit about how we're a little bit different as well. So one of the other benefits is that our platform is non-custodial. So what that means is people can use any crypto exchange. So I just wanted to make that clear as well. So next we have the next poll. Which risk returns are you looking to make? So we're looking A, B, or C. So high risk, high reward, moderate risk, high gains, or low risk and decent gains. Great. So let's see. B/C. Barry, you can only choose one. B. I'm more of an A guy. So what that means is I'm very fond of the high risk, high rewards. Paul, I'm in your tribe. Thank you so much for your kind support. We hope you guys are Jimmy James. Great to see you as well. We hope you guys are excited to use our platform. So what's coming up next? So we've got an amazing lineup on our roadmap, and we're really excited to be announcing our beta launch this evening. So our beta launch will allow everyone to get access to our platform, the platform we've been building for so long. What we're going to be doing next is progressively rolling out incentives for our trader community. That includes a trading competition that is, I don't think I'm supposed to say the prize value, but let's just say it's a big AF prize pool for our trading community. And we're also going to be launching copy trading in the coming weeks as well. So that's something we're very excited about. So next poll question, what holds you back from crypto trading? So A, is it the high risk? B, which platforms to use? Or C, you don't know what or when to buy and sell? I'm not going to answer this one because I'm not held back from crypto trading, but I'm interested to. Oh, Gerard, lovely to see you, my friend. Kiora to you, and I trust all is well with you and your family. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, this is a lot of engagement. So, Frostek, I'm going to out you and say that you're one of our top traders on our platform, I believe, on the weekly. So it appears, Frostek, you're lying to us. You do know what to buy and what to sell, but we'll show a little bit more on the demo later. Okay, A, C, 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 B, and C, C. Chris and Vivern, C, don't know what to buy or sell. Well, I could just say Frostek is one of our top traders, so you can follow him. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so next we're going to be doing a product walkthrough, and let me just check with our team. Are we doing a video?
Yeah, I'm going to share a video.
We're going to have a video for you in just a moment, and then I'm going to show you. So you get double. You don't need to take notes. There's no homework. Just sit back and relax. All right, good vibes. Thank you, Frostech. We're very excited to be with you this evening. In a few moments, I'm going to be showing you a demo of our platform. So what we're going to do a quick walkthrough. Sorry, we're just reorganizing ourselves in the office here. It's busy times for us here. And I'm joined in the studio by some amazing people from our team who are just off camera. So I want to give a quick shout out to our marketing team and a big thank you to them. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to share my screen. And if there's any issues, just let me know, guys, with the sharing or the video or the audio. Just let me know in the comments. I can see your comments, at least the YouTube people. Okay, are we good? Is this sharing my screen?
I can show you on stream anytime.
Okay, go ahead. Great. Okay, very cool. So we're going to go through. Now, this is the newsfeed. So you can see here we've got some amazing technical updates, some partnership announcements. So this is basically the news where people can hear from us on really how Alpha Impact is progressing. And we've been at work for a very long time. So we're really happy to have our community along with us for the ride. So let's take a quick look at the newsfeed here. You'll notice it's very straightforward. We've got some comments here. Is Alpha Impact free? There is a free trial for a limited time, but after that, you'll need the Impact token to upgrade to a membership and pay for copy trading features. So I'm just letting you know, we're going to give you access to this platform. It's actually open, available for free. For those that choose to sign up now, you're going to get it for free. You'll probably be the last and only group to get it for free. So I just wanted to mention and let you know. So you can see here, we have some people posting memes. You could see people posting news. This is actually me posting some on-chain analysis. And the unique part here is that unlike Twitter, we can actually see what this person's doing. Now, I want to give a special shout out to Chris. He was our first ever trading competition winner. He made 41% in the 2 weeks that was our competition. So Chris, big toast to you, our first ever trading competition winner. So Chris's strategy, it's a little bit cut off here. He has a long-term strategy and he does rebalancing. So Chris is a fantastic trader. He's made 55.45% over the last 30 days. And over the last 7 days, he's up 8%. So I also wanted to mention this does not feature any leverage. So some of our advanced users will be familiar with what leverage is. And you can see here Chris is holding. So let's actually click in and go to Chris's profile. Chris, I hope you don't mind the attention, buddy. We are looking at this profile and he's got a bit of a description here. Long-term strategy with frequent rebalancing. He is a recent competition winner. I mean, look at all these emojis. You should probably try to give Chris a job. Chris, if you're out there, send us a DM. Let's try to work together. So the great thing here is that we can actually see Chris's performance over time. And this methodology we use is called time-weighted return. And so what that means is a deposit does not count as a profit and a withdrawal does not count as a loss. So let's take a look at how Chris is doing versus BTC. He is smashing it. Chris has made in the past 24 hours 2%, while BTC, it looks like, is down about 5.5% in that time. Let's look at 7 days. He's tied. He's outperforming Ethereum. And then in the 30-day time horizon, you can see he's both outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Chris, hats off to you. You have a Sharpe ratio of 1.21 and you've made 55%. Now, you can actually see the portfolio that Chris has as well. So we've got the top 3 up here along the top, but we also have exactly what Chris is holding. So this is the percentage terms. So you can see Chris is very heavy right now, 30.2% of Luna, which is a fantastic coin that I feel very strongly about myself. Solana, of course, has been in the news lately. Shiba Inu, we all know we need diversifiers in our portfolio, so there you go. So all of what you're seeing here today will soon be behind a paywall. But if you sign up for our platform, and we're going to tell you how very soon, you're going to get access to this for free until we launch that paywall. So we can also see Chris's trades. Now, this is really interesting because you can actually see exactly what's happening. Chris has been buying, it looks like he's been buying Aave just earlier today. Those were some interesting trades. Audio, I've never even, I have heard of that once. And it looks like he sold Solana yesterday as well. So he's been actively trading. And again, Chris is one of our top traders. So let's go back and we could take a look at some of the other traders on our platform. So you can see here the most followed traders on our platform. You can see some of the raw returns that our people are generating. Give a quick shout out to my good friend Darren over at Tradable Patterns. He is an asset manager, he has a fantastic newsletter, very smart guy. And over the past hour, he's made that return. So let's take a look at the daily returns. Noob Trader has made 10.5%. Half Asian Soldier and Chris very respectable. And on the weekly, Frostek, see, this is what I'm talking about, folks. Frostek is no shy, he's not shy when it comes to trading, 15% over the past week. Congratulations, Frostek. You're ahead even of me, and I thought I was a good trader. Let's take a look at the monthly returns. So Shrifty is in first place with 57%, Chris at 55%, Cat Get Coin with 49. Let's keep looking. Looks like, look at all these guys up, guys and gals. We have lots of gals on our platform in the 40s. So this is fantastic. And I can tell you, just very happy as someone behind this project. When we first started, we had probably 1 or 2 top traders, and the rest were very, very low returns. So this is growing exponentially. We also have risk-adjusted returns. Now, for those in the finance fields, you might have heard of the term Sharpe ratio. It is a measure of risk-adjusted returns, which basically answers the question, how much return are you generating when you consider how much risk is being taken? So it's a measure of risk adjustment. So you can see here on the month, got some decent Sharpe ratios. On the week, even better. So that is the newsfeed function now and the Discover. Let's take a look at some of these top traders. And these are alerts you can get in real time. You can get these by email or over your phone. Now, eventually, these will be restricted to our customers who are on a plan. But for today, very excited to have you with us, and you can actually see. So I use these as trade alerts, and people who are using our beta can actually use this as actionable trading intelligence. So we can see BFTZ is one of our most recent traders. They've been making some trades over the last little while, and this is all available for people who have our beta. So you can see Cat Get Coin has been doing some trading, buying and selling. Chris has been buying Aave. So this you can get sent to you. And what will be coming online in the coming weeks is the ability to copy trade, which we're very excited about. It will mean that you will actually be able to say, I want to copy trade Chris for this specific transaction. So let's take a look at the linked portfolios section. Let me just refresh that. So to link the portfolio, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is go into this. If you want to be a customer, you can always be private. But if you want to be a top trader, you have to be public. So let's make a public portfolio. And so today we can use Binance, and so that we could say Binance Personal. And to get the API key, what you do is you go to Binance, and you actually create an API key. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to stop sharing my screen just briefly because I don't want you to see my login details. But this is just in the settings of your Binance. So let's stop the screen share, and I am going to do test API key. Okay, and okay, I have to get a code emailed to me, and I also have to have a 2FA sent to me. So I'm just looking at my phone. I'm not texting. Don't worry. Just finding the details I need to log into this. So. Okay, there we go. Okay, almost done, folks. We're almost there. Okay, you can reshare. Okay, so this API key, so we just take, am I back on screen? Okay, great. So we take the API key from Binance, we go over here, we plug it in, we take the secret key, and this is actually, we can edit the restrictions. So it's important to indicate to you that this, all you're going to give us the ability to do is to execute trades, enable spot and margin trading, and enable reading, and that's basically it. So you can even do trusted IPs only. But for us, all we're doing is reading and trading. We are not withdrawing. The withdrawal is a no-no. So I just want to make that clear. So we take the secret, we plug it in over here, and boom, that is all. So let's take a look at this. You're about to link your Binance portfolio. This API key allows Alpha Impact to perform the following operations: reading, and it should say spot and margin trading as well, but I must not have clicked that. So let's press save. Okay. Okay. Need to enter a code again. Sorry, could we stop sharing the screen? Okay, sorry, I'm just entering my code, folks. I Not that I don't trust you, but this is going out over the internet. So what we've done there is we have shared the API key. Let's go back. Okay, we can share again. Fantastic. So there we go, we got it. I had to tick a box. So when you're actually linking your API key, this is exactly what you're gonna see. So we will be able to read and we will be able to execute trades. That's it. So we cannot withdraw. We do not get the ability to withdraw funds. And at this point in time, we're just trading and reading. That's it. So success, you can enter a trading competition and win, and you can view profile as well. So let's go on and enter the competition. So this is our competition page, which you can enter as well. So it's that easy, folks. That is all you need to do to link your portfolio. So I think that's about it for the demo. We've got some fantastic returns here, and that's it for the demo. So coming up next, we have, I believe, another poll. So let me stop sharing my screen in a moment. Okay, sorry. So next we have our giveaway. So we're giving away $100 worth of Litecoin. Now, this is a challenge. And so what you're gonna get is you're gonna get free pro access to our platform, as well as $100 worth of Litecoin. So Litecoin is, we call Bitcoin digital gold. We call Litecoin digital silver. So I guess Ethereum is missed out in that equation. So the $100 Litecoin giveaway, all you have to do is join our platform, and let's share the link for that as well to sign up. And you have to use the code launch8, and we will be choosing someone in 24 hours. So what you have to do, number one, join our platform. Number two, link your API key to your exchange account. And when you join the platform, use launch8 to get free pro access to stand a chance to win a prize. Now, there's a lot of folks here who are in Singapore, and people in Singapore might be saying, well, we can't use Binance. You could just do this as a short-term thing to go in the competition. It will help us a lot, and you go in Binance, or sorry, you go in the draw to win this $100 worth of Litecoin. So we're going to be making the announcement tomorrow in about 24 hours at about 6:30 p.m. in the evening tomorrow. So the code is launch8, and basically all we have to do is you have to sign up and register. You have to go to Binance.com in your settings section and get your read-only API keys. And all you have to do is share that API key with our platform. From there, you will have the ability to go on our draw. We're going to be doing the draw at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, so next up, we have a networking session. Now, the format we've had this evening has been, we've been live on YouTube. There's a few other channels. I think we're on LinkedIn and also Facebook, possibly Twitter. And so for those that want to have a more interactive conversation, we're going to be heading over to this link. That's going to be on Zoom. It's on Zoom, right? Yes, it's on Zoom. Sorry, wasn't sure. And you could join us there now in about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So we're going to be heading over there. We're going to be having an interactive session. You can talk to me, you can ask questions, you can ask us anything at all about the platform, and it's a bit more of an interactive approach. So we don't just want to be having me talk to you, we want to have an interactive conversation. So head over, join the networking session. We're going to be joining there in about 30 seconds, and we'll be on Zoom shortly. So I am actually going to join now. Fantastic. Thank you very much, everyone. We will see you in the networking session.